इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस ऑफ क्लास 10 बायो अकॉर्डिंग टू फेडरल बोर्ड। ये कंप्लीट बुक की इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं, लेकिन आपने वही करने हैं जो स्मार्ट सिलेबस में इंक्लूड है। नंबर 1 इज explain different steps of nitrogen cycle, also draw the diagram of nitrogen cycle. Question number 2, define codominance and explain with an example. Question number 3, write a detailed account of anterior and posterior lobes of pituitary gland. Question number 4, include नहीं है आपके smart syllabus में. Question number 5, explain the structure of nephron, also draw label diagram of nephron. Question number 6, differentiate between continuous and discontinuous variations. Question number 7 आपके पास है, explain the process of spermatogenesis in animals. Question number 8, how are drugs classified on the basis of their chemical properties and mode of action? Question number 9, describe the basic steps of genetic engineering, also draw the diagram. Question number 10 है write about the different types of cartilage. Question number 11, explain the structure of outer and middle ear in humans, also draw the diagram of ear. Question number 12, state some silent features of bone. Question number 16, define symbiosis, describe its types. Question number 14, write a detailed account of structure of eye. Question number 15, what are kidney stones, write about their causes, symptoms and methods of treatment. Question number 16, give a comparison of external and internal fertilization. 17, define and explain the Mendel's law of segregation. And 18 is explain the working of antagonistic and muscles, right? So ये 18 क्वेश्चंस हैं जो पेज 1 पर है, then पेज 2 पे हम आते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 19, define pancreas as double gland. आपने मास के अकॉर्डिंग प्रिपरेशन करनी है इनकी. 20, explain the following terms: parthenogenesis and dormancy. 21, write a note on female reproductive system of rabbit, draw its label diagram. 22, what is the largest part of forebrain? Explain it. Question number 23, explain nitrogen cycle, also draw its flow sheet. Question number 24, describe the components of coordinated action. Question number 25, describe the role of skeleton system. Very important question. 2019 के पेपर में भी अपीयर हुआ था ये. Question number 26, what are the different projects for conservation of resources? Question number 27, describe the symptoms, causes and treatments of bronchitis and pneumonia. Right? Question number 29, explain the structure and working of human air passageways and the lungs. Chapter number 1 में include है ये. Last page पे आते हैं. Question number 29, define and explain law of independent assortment. Question number 30, define dialysis, explain method of dialysis in detail. Question number 31, how is the rate of breathing controlled by respiratory center in the brain? 33, what are effects of water pollution, air pollution? And the last question, describe the normal chemical composition of urine. So ये 33 क्वेश्चन हैं, लेकिन आपने वही प्रिपेयर करने जो कि आपके स्मार्ट सिलेबस के अकॉर्डिंग हैं, राइट?